Hi, welcome to the Resources Roadhouse. I'm Wally Graham and I'm at the 2019 RIU Resources Investment Roadshow, and I'm with Jaxon Crabb, one of the conference organisers. So Jaxon, we're here, this is day 2 of the Roadshow, we're in Melbourne. Day 1 was a couple of days ago in Sydney. How's it been?
That's right, Wally. We started this new style of roadshow event for our resources clients about 4 years ago, and it's been highly successful. The resources companies who participate here, they start off in Sydney this year on a Wednesday, present to 250 to 300, mostly retail investors, retirees, etc. And then they venture down to Melbourne and do it all again. So it's a great way for the resources companies to promote their activities to a much wider range rather than just being stagnated in one city.
All right, so the big successes of the conference so far, would you put down, who would you sort of pinpoint?
Well, we've been pretty lucky that Meteoric, MEI, put out an unbelievable announcement, something along the lines of 20 metres at 90 grams per tonne gold. So that they actually came out of a trading halt when our show commenced on Wednesday in Sydney. So we were inundated with registrations from brokers and fund managers and retail investors who wanted to come down, so that was great for them.
It just goes to show that there is true interest still in the resources sector. Contrary to popular belief, people still are interested in investing in resources, and they're out there so they can do their homework.
Well, they had 140 million shares traded on Wednesday, so that's
a bit of interest.
A bit of interest, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's great. All right, Jaxon, well, it's great to see you again. It's great to be here at the Roadshow. It's always a good excuse to get over to Melbourne at a certain time of year and catch up with everybody, family and friends, and maybe a game of football or two.
Well, we're really unlucky that the mighty West Coast Eagles were unfortunately dealt some pretty tough cards by the AFL leading into last week's match.
Yes, that was devastating for some, but other people not so. Oh, great. Well, that's it for the roadshow here. The next thing for you guys is Brisbane, I believe.
Yeah, the Brisbane Resources Roundup. That'll be held on the 16th and 17th of October at the beautiful Brisbane Hilton Hotel. Program came out a week ago, and it looks like a great lineup of companies, so we look forward to it.
Oh, great. Well, we're going to be here. The Roadhouse is going to be there, and we're going to bring you as much information as we can from Brisbane. Jaxon?
Gee, we're lucky to have you, Well.
Yes you are.